Alright, today I want to show you guys a beat breakdown of my new song Dream Sequence. The link is in the description if you want to check it out. I want to share with you some of the things I did on this track. I like some of the stuff I was doing here, and I thought it'd be cool to show people how I did that. So let's get right into it. Feel free to check out the track if you want a little bit more context as I break all this stuff down. So, in the beginning I have this pad and like a ambience sort of chimey thing going on. The chimey thing is just a regular synth patch with some crystallizer, which is like a granular delay type plugin. So I'll show you without the crystallizer. It's a little bit atonal as well, frequency modulated. And I have Echo Bode in here, which I think is just adding some more delay and stuff to kind of wash out the sound and fill it out a little bit. So 8 bars in, I then introduce kind of the main motif of the song, which is this vocal sample I put into some granular synthesis and sort of played it around like an instrument. Here's the notes. So what I did here is I used like this, I guess more Indian sort of sounding vocal sample. I thought it would sound really cool because it, there's a lot of like cool microtonal sounds in that sort of music, so I wanted to use that sample, but I kind of just ended up using one isolated section, so I don't know. I guess tonally the vocal sample sounded cool and I jumped from there. So, and then after this section it goes straight into the drop. So let's see if I can find it. My project is a little messy at the moment. So I bounced it out as audio, and then I okay, no, actually originally I had it turned into some sort of MIDI chord or sequence. I'm not sure where it is. I might have deleted it. But yeah, I turned it into basically a melody, bounced that out, and then it kind of turned into this. And then, really simple, the other main elements of the drop are the synth and the bass. Right, and then I have that just side chained a ton. Right now the kick's off, so you can't hear it. I don't know why that sidechain was off, but there you go. So yeah, I can show you my patch real quick on Serum. Just really simple stuff. This thing kind of gives it that resonance peak, sort of just more of a mouthy sound, And then I have the bass just kind of overdriven, super simple plug. And slammed by the kick. Okay, so I didn't have this because it was a little redundant. I mean, you could clean up the kicks more by grouping these things together and then punching the kick through on the group channel. Kind of have two sidechain compressions if you feel like it, but definitely not necessary. It cleans it up a little bit, actually. Anyway, and then right there I have this sort of drum pattern. A bit more Latin. Real fun. And then I have the main motif come back. So but I have this cool effect on there that makes it sound really washed out. It's this jet flanger. And then I mess with the attack release delay stuff. Right here it's just a sort of breakdown section. Not much new stuff happening. And then right here I just have like a little resonance peak to kind of make the bass sound a little more, I don't know, unique there. So this is another vocal layer I did. I just pitched it down and made it a little more square rhythm. And then I have I put crystallizer on the drums. That's the thing I love to do. I think it sounds so cool. And then I wanted to do like a more of a Jersey club rhythm at the end of the track to kind of make it a little more driving. Just pitched up right there, real simple. But yeah, that was a quick beat breakdown. If you have any questions or anything at all that you're wondering, just put it in the comment section. I'd love to reply and maybe break some more stuff down. Or if there's any tutorials that you think could be done within this track, let me know. But thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more.